If x and y are connected parametrically by the equation without eliminating the parameter, find dy by dx. So x is equal to sine cube t upon root over cos 2t, y is equal to cos cube t over root of cos 2t. Both x and y are connected with the parameter t here, so t is a parameter. So let's differentiate x and y with respect to t. So x is equal to sine cube t upon root over cos 2t. So differentiate with respect to t. So we'll have dx by dt is equal to, and let us find this differentiation by u by v rule. So u by v dash, that's the differentiation of u by v, is upon v square v into du by dx, that is u dash, minus u into v dash. So here v is root of cos 2t whole square, that comes cos 2t. Let me write here root of whole square, and again root of cos 2t into differentiating sine cube t. So differentiation of sine cube, I can write it as 3 sine square t into again differentiation of sine t is cos t, minus sine cube t into differentiation of root of cos 2t, that's 1 upon 2 root of cos 2t, because differentiation of root x is 2 root x, 1 upon 2 root x, into again differentiation of cos 2t is minus sine 2t, again differentiation of 2t is 2. So you can cancel these 2, and next step I can write it as, and by taking LCM root of cos 2t, so here I can write cos 2t times, and again here 3 times cos 2t into sine square t into cos t, minus, and here minus of minus comes plus, sine cube t into sine 2t divided by, so here root of cos 2t into root of cos 2t whole square, so that I can write root of cos 2t, or we can write cos 2t into root over cos 2t. So we can also write it as 3 times sine 2t is nothing but 2 sine t cos t, sine 2t is 2 sine t cos t, so that I can take out common sine t cos t, so that the remaining 3 times cos 2t into sine t plus again here 2 times sine cube t, so upon cos 2t into root over cos 2t. So this is your dx by dt. Let's keep it aside, and now let's find dy by dt. So y is equal to, cos cube t upon root over cos 2t. Let's apply the same quotient rule. So differentiate with respect to t. So we have, so dy by dt is equal to upon root over cos 2t whole square. So root over cos 2t into differentiation of cos cube t, that is 3 cos square t into d by dx of cos is minus sin t, and again minus cos cube t into differentiation of root of cos t is 1 upon 2 root of cos 2t, since d by dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So 1 upon 2 times root cos 2t, and again differentiating cos 2t is minus sin 2t, and again differentiating 2t is 2. So you can cancel 2 and 2, and in our next step we can write it as, we can write this as dy by dt is equal to, taking LCM again, cos 2t times of minus, this is minus 3 cos square t sin t. So minus of minus plus. So here it comes cos cube t, and again sin 2t we can write 2 sin t cos t, 2 sin t cos t upon, so here it comes root over cos 2t and cos 2t root over cos 2t. So I can take out sin t cos t common. Sin t cos t is taken common, so we'll have, so let me write in next step. So sin t cos t is taken common, so we have minus 3 cos 2t cos t plus here 2 cos cube t upon cos 2t into root over cos 2t. So this is your dv by dt. So now let us find differentiation dy by, let's find here dy by dx. So we have dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So which equals to dy by dt is sin t cos t times, and let me both in both the cases dx by dt and dy by dt both we having cos 2t and root over cos 2t, so I can cancel them and let me write directly minus 3 cos 2t into cos t plus 2 cos cube t. So I can write minus 3 cos 2t into cos square t into cos t plus 2 cos cube t. This is dy by dt upon, and dx by dt we have again sin t cos t is taken common, 3 cos 2t sin t plus 2 sin cube t. So let's write here sin t cos t is taken common, inside we can write 3 cos 2t into sin t plus 2 sin cube t. So we can cancel sin t cos t and sin t cos t get cancelled, and this upon root over cos 2t into cos 2t, so those terms also will get cancelled. These terms also get cancelled, so we have dy by dx is equal to, so minus 3 times of, and now cos 2t we can write it as 2 cos square t minus 1, 2 cos square t minus 1 into cos t plus here 2 cos cube t upon 3 times of, again here I can write 3 cos 2t I can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square t, so that I can take out sin common, into sin t plus 2 sin cube t, which is equal to, so we have minus 3 2s are minus 6 cos cube t minus of minus plus 3 times of cos t plus 2 cos cube t upon 3 sin t minus 6 sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t. Further simplifying, so minus 6 plus 2 will come here minus 4 cos cube t, so I can write 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t divided by, so here I can write 3 sin t minus 4 sine cube t. And since we know sine 3a is equal to 3 times sine a minus 4 times sine cube a, and cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. By using these formulas, we can write here, so dy by dx is equal to minus negative of that we are getting here minus cos 3t upon sine 3t. So you can get the answer dy by dx is equal to minus cot 3t, and this is the answer. Okay, thank you.